You're flying through code with AI, but most of your day is still buried in manual reviews, checks, and handoffs. The faster you code, the bigger the pileup. To truly scale with AI, your software lifecycle needs to act as a single system. Introducing GitLab Duo Agent Platform, purpose-built to orchestrate AI agents across your entire software lifecycle, moving teams from constant reaction mode into a state of flow. At the center is Agentic Chat. It understands what's happening right now: your code, merge requests, pipelines, and security findings. From there, you orchestrate your custom and built-in specialized agents for planning, security analysis, data insights, and more. These aren't generic chatbots. They have domain understanding and share a common source of truth. Flows connect agents into structured multi-step execution, running the same way every time. What used to take hours for software teams now takes minutes. The AI catalog is where teams publish and reuse agents and flows, so AI is applied consistently across your organization. Duo Agent Platform extends via Model Context Protocol, MCP, connecting your existing tools directly into agent workflows. Built-in governance gives you visibility into which agents are running and what actions they take. Permissions and model choice are centrally controlled. Usage-based pricing powered by GitLab credits means you only pay for what you use. This is agentic AI across software delivery as a system. GitLab Duo Agent Platform. Finally, AI for the entire software lifecycle.